Okay.
I know. But I just sent it to you. Yo, so Sean and Mike made a song last night. Just tell me how you feel about it.
Okay.
Shit is terrible. If I just say
What?
that.
He's supposed to hop on it, but he's being scary.
I'm a hop on.
Fuck no.
Friday the
Oh, don't
13th.
even- I could just play like that, right?
Yeah, you can go ahead. I'm ready to follow GPS anyway. Go ahead.
You gotta be honest here, Andrew.
That bitch is not even done. The niggas, it was like 30 seconds on it.
Alright, Alright. This is part of the video.
Oh my god.
Don't let me hop on there.
Yeah, you can.
Alright, bet. Nah, I'm dead ass. My flow too sick though.
Man, fuck all the motherfucking ops, man. Real shit. Fuck these bitch ass niggas, man.
Y'all niggas got no ops, but okay.
When you bitch ass niggas, you know you in the fucking vest. You heard me, bitch. Catch me out. I'm right in the throat. Hold on, wait. They keep going. Niggas a bitch. I took his shit. Damn. Fuck on my dick. You know I'm in life. I beat you twice. I got my gun. I don't wanna fight. Hold on, wait. Fuck all these niggas be bitches.
Hold on.
Fuck on his bitch, we ain't doing no dates. Don't run no trail like he got on his feet. I'm a savage, and you know it. Just got me a juice, I'm a boy. She gon' throw it. I'm set up, we gon' smoke it. It's a murder. It's a murder.
Don't fucking record me, bitch. Oh, you lucky. You fucking lucky.
Who lucky? You lucky if anything. You ready to get banked in this bitch.
You're gonna be able to fit this because she's a woman. That's what you're saying.
Nigga, you are 6 feet tall, probably 6'1". She is like 5'4", 5'5". How the fuck she gonna fit that costume?
Because she's a woman, that's what you're saying, right?
Are you
Where
sexist?
did the gender come out of my mouth?
Misogyny?
What the fuck is Joe talking?
See, this is why niggas not subscribing now, because you gonna be judging females and shit.
You damn right.
Alright.
I know.
What you got to say? Sheldon, you in the vlog.
I'm in the vlog. Where it is, slick burn them up. Hey, 392 underscore TONA with no ass. WITNOAXX. The S's is X's. 392 underscore Tona with no ass. Slick, whatever you want to call me. I'm gonna burn them up every time. Niggas done already selling the best slide out this bitch. Ain't nobody fucking with me, bro. Nobody fucking with that bitch, bro. Hop in the pit with me, I dare you. Come on, that bitch is something. Come on, I'm deep in the sea. You far from the shore, you dumbass nigga.
Nobody get treated from Amazon, you get wearing the best and shit.
You gotta dance to the beat of the song of the car.
Yeah, yo, they got the fucking, what's it gonna come out?
That's social anxiety.
Yo.
Where the fuck Brian at? Probably like the superheroes?
Yes. I want to see Derek, yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah.
Fuck Bobby ass, I'm feel me? Baltimore shit. Out the city with it. Hopefully they don't start shooting, because you know that's all niggas do.
Why would you do
I'm
that?
waiting for my mans to come back. We fucking bluffing. This nigga got to do tires, he already burnt his whole shit off.
Ah.
Hey, go ahead. Give me that shit. We out here. Niggas out here drifting that bitch. I wish Shawty was on this shit, yo. Shawty had to get, yo, Shawty already blew his tire out, bro.
I know, yo.
He blew his tire out, bro. He got another tire, bro. Yo. Oh my, yo, we others been dragging, yo.
I gotta see you in the pit.
Trying to tell you.
Yo got the man, yo.
Hey, man. What the fuck going on, man?
That's a pride thing, bro. The Tom Holland suit, that's the last suit I would invest in.
This is far from home though.
That's the last suit I would
So
buy.
you wouldn't get the one?
I would buy.
So you wouldn't get the No Way Home one? The No Way Home with the gold and shit?
Wait, no.
Go back and red.
What? Yo,
That bitch hard as shit.
listen. I would buy the Amazing Spider-Man 2, Andrew. I would buy this before I buy Andrew. Before I buy Tom Holland.
I agree with that.
You feel me? Like I'm not buying
They
no.
was expensive.
I'm not buying no Tom Holland suit, yo.
So you wouldn't buy No Way Home. The last one. The gold, black and red.
Bro, you know that's not even. You know it's not even a real suit. You feel me?
That bitch hard.
That's not a real suit, yo. I can't. Yo, listen. That gold shit, the gold spider. Y'all watch the movie, right?
Hey, Chicho, you got one with this motherfucker right here, bro.
It's CGI. It's CGI. It's not real, bro. That gold spider.
When they hit, it's gon' kill big. Fuck all the lies, I give them the real spit. Niggas be capping, they know I'm the real deal. Fuck off a perk, I go up off a pill. Slide with a drink, we gon' get us a kill. Host said they know I'm the realest.
I don't burn this whole shit out.
That shit was hard as shit though.
Crazy. Come on, man, show them that, man.
Yeah. Bad bitches, we like bad boys. We like niggas that sell drugs. Real cash, with my teeth, nigga come pull up on me. Try to pour fast, do the bad shit, make my coochie leak. Real bad bitch, sitting pretty 1,000 for the week. Being a nigga excited, got look cute. When I'm talking, I ain't trash. Wanna eat it, but that shit ain't hard.
I know. Spider-Man, get all the bitches. You heard. I know.
I'm dreaming. You're telling me.
Hurry